So you have low back issues, and what were you told?
I was told I can never work out again because of my disc herniations.
Yeah, so disc herniation, sciatica, degenerative disc disease. So many people contact us with these things, and they're told that they can't exercise again, and it's crazy. And I'm here to tell you that you can actually squat. Like if you want to squat or deadlift, like you can do that. Like right now. Like let's. Oh my gosh, we can do it. And we have a disc herniation or sciatica or degenerative disc disease or whatever. These are just words. Don't let people tell you these messages that you can't get in the gym and you can't do these things. You might need some guidance. That's what we're here for. Here to take you through the steps and stages, here to help you fix your low back. But guys, do not take these sentences of not being able to do the things you love ever again. Your body's strong. You can squat if you want to. Get back in the gym. Just contact us.